It is nearly midnight. You are sitting in the quiet, looking at your list for tomorrow. It is a good list. It is organized, practical, and demanding. You will wake up when the alarm goes off. You will follow the routine. You will do the work. You are a disciplined person. You have spent years mastering yourself. You have read the books and optimized the hours. You have pruned away the distractions. On paper, you are winning. But there is a specific kind of exhaustion that doesn't come from lack of sleep. It comes from the realization that your discipline has built a very efficient life, but it hasn't built a free one. We are told that discipline is the bridge to freedom. We are told that if we control our impulses, we will eventually control our destiny. But in the world we actually live in, discipline is often just a tool for maintenance. If you are disciplined within a structure you do not own, you are simply lowering the cost of your own management. You are proving that you are a reliable, low-maintenance asset. You don't need a supervisor because you have installed the supervisor in your own mind. You hit the deadlines, you manage the stress, and you stay consistent. To the system, your discipline is beautiful. It makes you predictable. It makes you a rented resource that never breaks down. But predictability is the opposite of freedom. Freedom is the ability to be unpredictable without the ceiling falling in on you. Most disciplined people are actually just specialists in endurance. You have used your willpower to tolerate things that should have been intolerable. You have used your strength to stay in an environment of systemic dependency because you were told that staying the course is a virtue. Your discipline has become the grease on the gears of a machine that isn't yours. Think about the way you feel when you complete a perfect, disciplined day. You checked every box. You were productive. But look at the output. If your productivity only results in more work or a slightly higher rental price for your time, then your discipline is being harvested. You are getting better at the how, but you are still being owned by the who. Freedom requires leverage. Discipline alone is just individual effort, and individual effort, no matter how consistent, has a hard ceiling. If your income and your existence are tied directly to your disciplined hours, you are playing a game designed to keep you exactly where you are. The system loves the middle-class trap because it relies on your discipline. It relies on you being just comfortable enough to stay and just disciplined enough to keep the engine running. You aren't being loyal to a dream. You are being loyal to a cage that you have decorated with self-improvement stickers. There is a sunk cost of effort here. Because you have worked so hard to build this life, you feel you must protect it. You take pride in how much you can handle. You see your stress as proof of your importance. This is the ultimate victory for the system. When the human asset takes pride in the weight of their own chains. You aren't lazy. You are the opposite. You are so hardworking that you have forgotten to ask if the work is actually leading to an exit. Most disciplined people are running a race on a treadmill. You are in great shape. You are moving fast, and you are incredibly consistent. But when you step off, you are in the same room you started in 10 years ago. True clarity is uncomfortable. It's realizing that your self-mastery has mostly just made you a better servant to your expenses. It's realizing that you have been using a weapon, your discipline, to fight a war for someone who doesn't even know your name. Freedom isn't found in a better routine or a more optimized morning. It is found in ownership and leverage. Until you own the ground you stand on, your discipline is just a way to make your confinement more efficient. The alarm will go off again tomorrow. You will get up. You will follow the routine. But the mirror looks different now. You can see the supervisor in your head. You can see the treadmill. Discipline is a tool. But if the tool is only used to maintain a life that doesn't belong to you, it isn't a virtue. It is just high-level survival. You are still on the treadmill. You are still running. But now, at least, you know where it's going. Nowhere.